Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed about verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication involves written communication and spoken communication. Non-verbal communication involves the sign language. Okay? In this session, I will explain more information about this. Before that, we have to complete activity 5.4. Some members answer that and send that mail photos, but still some students did not complete that. For their purpose, I will explain this. See, you are at home with your parents, you are feeling hungry. List different ways in which you can communicate this to them. Share your answers with the class. Okay, if you are with parents, you are hungry. Just imagine that. How can you express your feelings? We have 3 ways. You can tell to them politely, I am hungry. Please get it any food item for me. And second one is, you can show the sign language. That means that you can keep your hand on the stomach and just tell to them, ask them to guess what I am explaining, what I am showing. Third one, you can write on a piece of paper, then show it to them. These are the 3 ways you can express your feelings to the others. Okay? So, I will post these answers in WhatsApp group. You can copy in your textbook and send it. Okay? Now, turn the paper. Now, page number 17 studio. Did anyone share a new way to communicate? What was it? Write it here. Okay, do you know another way to communicate with one another? If you know means you can write here. Yes, through the thread. Okay, matchbox through the thread added to the matchbox, and they can communicate through the thread also. In the olden days, people use it that way also. Okay, if you know, just write it down. Otherwise, leave it. Okay, no problem. Second one, we have at the table. So this is, you have to work on this. How many Indian languages can you speak, read and write? Yeah, in India we have so many languages. Recognized languages we have 22. So how many languages do you know, and how many languages can you speak? How many languages can you write? Okay. Here the language name you have to write. For example, Telugu. Our mother tongue is Telugu. Telugu. I can speak. Yeah. Put tick mark. I can read. Yes. Tick mark. And I can write. Put tick mark. And English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Urdu, whatever the languages we have in India. So if you know some languages we can speak, but we cannot write. Some languages we can read, but we cannot speak. So that is why we have to keep tick mark whatever the languages you know very well. Okay, children, this is you have your work. You should do and you should complete this. Okay, and send me the WhatsApp. Send me the pic also. Let me know how many of you know the languages and how many of you very good at speaking in all languages, and how many of you very good at reading. Let us know. Second one is, if you could learn a new language, which would it be? Why? So, if you learn a new language, what would be the next language, new language? This language name you have to write here. Among the all languages, the people. For example, my wish is, I wouldn't be learn Tamil. Okay? Like, what is your next language, next new language? We already know the 3 languages, right? Hindi we can understand, English we can understand, Telugu we can understand. So, if you have any chance, what would be the next language? Okay? Not only human beings communicate, even animals also can communicate through the sounds and scents. The dog and animals also can identify and recognize the next animal through the scent, to the smell and sounds and actions, right? These are the ways to communicate in animals. Okay. In page number 71 we have a table. List the best means of communication that can be used in each of the state, each of the situations. Use the help box for clues. Okay. Okay children. Now open page number 71 in studio. So here situation has given, means of communication has given. Rahul wants to apply for leave at this workplace. So Rahul wants leave. Okay, what he should do? He have to write a letter. Then he have to submit to the official. So he need a letter, that means written communication. He have to use written communication. And second one, Shaila wants to share her day's experiences with her family. Yeah. For example, you. Whenever you went to the home, you will explain all the matters from morning to evening. What has been done in a prayer, what has been done in classrooms, even bus. You can explain your parents, right? Through the spoken communication or written communication. Will you write a letter to the parents? What has been done from morning to evening? No, from spoken. You can use spoken communication. Third one. Mithun wants to show his friends who lives in another country how happy he is with his new haircut. Yeah, he has new haircut. So what he has to show? Picture. That means photo. He can send a photo and he can show the haircut through the picture. That one also one of the communication. Last one. Yusra's grandma cannot hear well. Yusra wants to tell her grandma that she is feeling sleepy. Yeah, she cannot hear well. So what we have to say? Sign language. We have to use sign language. Because of deaf people and dumb people, they cannot understand the language. So we have to show them to sign language. Okay? So we can communicate using spoken, written or sign language. We can choose the most suitable means of communication based on the situation. Here one kind of situation we have, then they use written communication. In second category, we have another type of situation, then we can use spoken. Now third situation is different and fourth situation is different. So situation, based on situation, we can use the most suitable communication. Children, now turn the page 72, evolution of communication systems and devices. Rearrange the letters to find the names of objects that we use for communication. Yeah, here jumbled letters are there. We have to rearrange the letters in a proper way. Okay, one has done for you and remaining two you should do. Okay, first one is, these are the jumbled letters, so I arranged in a proper way. The word is telephone. So next one and second one and third one you should find out and you can write in their given space. Okay. In the next session, I will explain how has communication evolved from PCNs levels to now internet. So I will explain all the stages in the next session. Until then, you should complete all the blanks what I have given in the textbooks, and you should underline the difficult words or hard words in your textbook. You should read at least 2 pages every day. It enables